Your environment is programming you. Hindi mo namamalayan, yung mga kasama mo araw-araw, mga kaibigan mo, pamilya mo, workmates mo, those are the people who's affecting your life. These are the people who's affecting your mindset. So, kung sila yung nagiging programa ng mindset mo, how are you protecting your mind? How are you protecting yourself from all these people, from the environment that you have right now? Kasi para sa akin, gusto mo maging successful, importante yung paligid mo. Importante yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. And nakakalungkot kasi most of the time, I'm hearing stories na hindi mo ma-let go yung isang tao kasi mahal mo pero toxic na. Pero hindi na nakakatulong sa buhay mo. Pero ang dami ng harm na nagagawa sa buhay mo. You cannot let go of these people. Why? Because of tagal mo ng kasama. Kasi ganto, ganyan, ganto. But at the end of the day, you know that they are not already serving their purpose for your growth and success. And for you becoming the best version of yourself. Hindi na sila nakakatulong para maging magaling ka. Hindi na sila nakakatulong para maging malupit ka. They are depriving you for you to become better.